Welcome to class 15. Bail, meaning release from jail for a short time. Example, the judge gave him bail. Ban, meaning a small child. Example, the band played happily. Baize, meaning a thick soft cloth. Example, the table was covered with baize. Bake, meaning to cook food in an oven. Example, she will bake a cake. Baker, meaning a person who makes bread and cakes. Example, the baker sells fresh bread. Balance, meaning to keep steady and not fall. Example, she balanced a book on her head. Balcony, meaning a platform outside a building. Example, she stood on the balcony. Bald, meaning having little or no hair. Example, my grandfather is bald. Bale, meaning a large bundle of goods. Example, farmers carried a bale of hay. Bearing, meaning a metal ring that helps parts rotate smoothly. Example, the wheel spins easily because of the bearing. Ballad, meaning a song that tells a story. Example, he sung a sad ballad. Ballet, meaning a graceful style of dance. Example, she practices ballet daily. Ballot, meaning a paper used for voting. Example, people put their ballot in the box. Balm, meaning something that gives comfort or relief. Example, this balm helps dry skin. Bamboo, meaning a tall green plant. Example, pandas eat bamboo. Band, meaning a group of musicians. Example, the band played loudly. Bandit, meaning a person who steals things. Example, the bandit escaped quickly. Bandy, meaning to exchange words or ideas. Example, they bandy funny jokes. Bane, meaning a cause of trouble or harm. Example, laziness is the bane of success. Bang, meaning a sudden loud noise. Example, we heard a big bang.